Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And you can see we're closing the work week today with lots of sunshine across the Arklatex, but it is rather chilly out there as temperatures across most of the region in the 40s right now. And we will see a huge warm up as we go through the weekend. As we take a quick look at the weather pattern, you can see what is taking shape. We still have this west to north westerly flow, but notice the moisture already streaming northward through Texas. This is going to invade the Arklatex later on this evening and tonight, and there is a chance we could see a little bit of light rain in spots late tonight as that moisture and warmer air begin to invade the area. Here's a quick look at Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST, and you can see the increase in clouds that will begin late this evening. Again, very late tonight, a few scattered showers will be possible. Tomorrow, probably we'll hear some thunder in spots. Not too concerned about severe weather tomorrow, but as a cold front moves into the area late tomorrow night, there is a possibility we could see an uptick in the intensity of those thunderstorms late tomorrow night, and that thunderstorm activity will gradually move out of the area during the day Sunday as the cold front moves in. And you can see behind that front we will see the wind pick up out of the north to northeast, and that's going to usher in some cooler temperatures to begin next week. But ahead of that cold front, big warm up, as you'll see in the forecast here in a second. As far as severe weather, again, there is a small risk tomorrow night into Sunday, a marginal risk according to SPC, mainly over the northwestern half of the area tomorrow night. And again, that risk will shift to the south and east during the day Sunday, and that probably will be late in the morning, early in the afternoon is when that chance will be highest. Basically, marginal means that any severe weather, if we have any, should be very isolated in nature, and probably going to be looking at the wind. Straight line wind is the biggest concern if those storms do manage to become severe. As far as rainfall potential, it still looks like we could see a decent amount of rainfall in spots as we look at the latest from FUTURECAST. You can still see it's zeroing in on southwest Arkansas and much of northeast Texas for the possibility of more than an inch of rain. And we actually could have spots that pick up more than 2 inches further to the south and east Texas. You can see the variation of the model. I would expect to receive about a half an inch in this particular part of the region, but there could be some spots that actually approach an inch as far as total rainfall accumulation. After that, we're going to take a bit of a pause in the rain. You can see the southwesterly flow, which will bring in the upper level energy, which will begin the rain Saturday. Cold front moves through Sunday. We take that pause, and then we have another upper level disturbance, which is going to be approaching from the west. This is going to give us a shot for some rain that will begin Thursday, continue into Friday, and then we should start to dry out as we head into next weekend. So all that being said, your forecast looks like this for tonight. Expect the clouds to make their way back into the area. We likely will see the lows that you see here during the evening ahead of the cloud cover, probably settling into the mid-30s in Texarkana, 38 degrees in Shreveport. Then as the clouds increase, we may rise a few degrees later on tonight into the upper 30s to lower 40s across the area. And then tomorrow that rise in temperatures will accelerate as rain will become likely with some thunder. Look for daytime highs in the low to middle 60s north, upper 60s, lower 70s south. That includes 71 tomorrow in Natchitoches, 69 in Shreveport, 64 degrees for the daytime high in Texarkana. And these temperatures good almost 20 degrees warmer than what we've experienced across the area this afternoon. And it appears as if that warming trend continues into Sunday, even though we will continue to see that good chance of rain. Ahead of the cold front, we'll see highs Sunday, probably in the upper 60s to low 70s. Due in part, that will only drop into the 60s tomorrow night for nighttime lows. Behind that cold front, we will settle into the 50s for highs heading into the first half of next week. Our next best chance of rain begins Thursday, likely will end Friday, as we once again we'll see temperatures pretty close to normal next weekend as we settle into the 50s for highs, and lows will eventually drop back into the 30s. So dig out those umbrellas. It looks like a rather soggy weekend on the way for the Arklatex with some warmer temperatures.